Morning everyone. Today we're going to take the steering wheel off, and I chose not to watch anything to actually help me with it and figured let's all do this for the first time. I've got a general idea of how to do it, but I'd rather just figure it out. So I know we got to take off the cover, which is 2 pieces, and I don't have any plastic interior trim, which is what they actually recommend for this. There we go. Alright. So it looks like there's a main clip right before the dash. That's what it actually does. There's another one right in the front here, which that one came off easy. This one over here did not want to let go. Probably a lot more comfortable if I left the seat in. The bottom piece feels like it's actually secured by something. I guess there's 2 screws under there. So there's 2 Phillips screws. Just do not want to get the right angle. Two screws, just work it out. You're gonna have to work off the ignition. That just covers it, doesn't actually clip in. I'm surprised at the metal bracing under here. Drop some weight for sure. Alright, so it is a Torx drive. I'm actually going to see if mine's long enough, because I only have mine for my impact gun. Oh, that's in there tight. Remember, keep your steering wheel as straight as possible before you take the actual wheel off. I'm going to try to remember. Oh, that was a little tighter than I expected. Fuck. So the yellow plug, it's got 2 tabs on top and bottom that you have to pinch at the same time, and it is not very giving. Then again, this is a 2006, so this has been in here for a while. All right. So I got the horn disconnected, I got the airbag disconnected. Try and break that loose. Can't remember. Look at that, 17. You're gonna want to use it deep, only because get that steering wheel straight. Those are looking straight. One thing I definitely noticed on every video is do not take this all the way off. There we go. And voila. Now I do have to do some research because I'm not putting airbags back in, obviously. And I want to know if I can save, if I'm able to take this part off and keep the clock spring. But this is the ground. But I haven't made up my mind yet if I'm going to go get a quick release too, if I'm just going to stick with a solid. It's really going to depend on when I get the racing seats to what I'm going to do with this. Most likely we'll get a quick release and a hanger, just so I can get this out of my way so I can get in and out. But it will be nice. But, so, big thing, make sure you have the battery disconnected and let it sit for a little bit and push the brakes or whatever you gotta do to use the car up and make sure there's no electric left in the line before you take this off, because last thing you want to take is one of those airbags to the face, especially unexpectedly, not seat belted in. But next video is going to be coming up soon. I'm going to be doing the bushings on the shifter, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.